Okay, today we will review about the Disney Swan in Orlando, United States. I just arrived a little bit late because my flight got delayed. This is the wardrobe, but without the door. This is the bathroom. Looks like this is a bit classical hotel with a manual switch like this. This is the toiletry. This is the shower. They have something for the disabled. This is the soap. Smell nice. This is the lock door mechanism, so that when you open the door like this, it will hit the lock. The door is locked like this. Again, a manual switch. This is the safety and security information. Here they have a hair dryer, iron, the iron board, and the place where you can put your luggage, and the vertical safe. This is the bed. I got a king size arrangement. This is the aircon control in Fahrenheit. Water sprinkler. This is interesting. Coffee from Starbucks. This is the inside table, and here is the aircon. What you need to know that all the electricity outlet is the US standard. Don't forget to bring your converter if you visit here. One more thing, behind this window is actually a balcony, but since I arrived quite late, yes, this is the access to the balcony. We have a chair here. See, that's the four swan below. And this is the view of the Disney Resort at the night. Okay. By the way, I got a room with a connecting door. Okay, that's my review. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.